I think the new building will look great here.
No! Oh, no! No!
Huh?
Oh no! Billdozer! Are you okay?
Oh no, he's gone crazy!
We have to call for help!
Hi, Bob. Everything okay?
Johnny, Billdozer hurt himself and now he's acting all crazy.
Don't worry, Bob. I got you.
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Billdozer is wreaking havoc. You need to check on him.
Billdozer? Our Billdozer?
Yeah, he's injured, and he could be dangerous.
No worries. We know what to do.
And Billdozer did all this?
See it for yourself, Traco.
Help! Someone help me!
Oh no! He's got Batfly! We have to rescue her!
Traco, you take care of Billdozer while I go get Batfly.
Come on, you can do it, Tigers!
Now let's help Traco.
Hello!
Be careful, guys! He's already hurt!
This isn't working! He's fast and strong!
We need to try something else.
Guys, I think we lost him!
He must have gone that way! Let's go get him!
Billdozer, please don't do this. I promise I'll give you free ice cream.
That's enough, Bill.
If we want to stop him, I need to be faster!
Hi, Traco. Are you all right?
Johnny, I need your help to get Billdozer!
I got you. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Batfly! Tigers! Distract him while I trap him! get this big boy to the hospital.
You should be feeling okay now, buddy.
No, he's still crazy.
I'm just kidding, Draco. I'm fine.
Oh, you won't laugh so much when you see the mess you caused.
Thanks, Wheelafin, you saved me! Are you okay?
I don't think so. What's going on?
Yay! It works!
Wait, what?
Now you'll do as I want. Hey!
Huh?
Hi, Bob.
Johnny, Vicky's hypnotized Wheelafin and now she's controlling him.
Don't worry, I know exactly who to call for this.
Hey, Johnny.
Tigers, I need you to go help Wheelafin. He's in trouble.
Of course. I'll take care of it.
And now that trash can. I never liked the look of those lampposts. Break them.
Oh no! This is awful! Stop, Vicky!
Oh, that was so fun.
That's enough, Vicky.
Huh? That foolish kitten again. I think it's about time someone teaches you a lesson.
And who's going to do it? You?
Run, Tigers! She's controlling what I do!
Yeah.
Yay!
You are truly evil, Vicky!
I know. Now go and get them.
Oh, watch out, pal!
I don't think so, kitty kitty.
Ah, so close. Ah!
I think I'm done here. Bye-bye.
Tigers, quick, do something!
Oh. Ah. Ah.
Tigers, how's the mission going?
Johnny, that awful Vicky trapped me. I need help.
I got you, buddy. Activating power up.
Perfect.
you doing this, Wheel of Fence?
I'm sorry, Katie. I really don't want to. It's all Vicky.
I'm back!
Ugh, you again. Hey, Wheelful, after him.
Yeah, come and get me!
Come on, get him!
Bullseye!
No, you broke my remote!
I don't think that's your biggest problem right now.
Ow!
Where do you think you're going?
Huh? Let me out, Anima fools!
I think some time in jail will teach you not to steal Katie's ice creams again, Vicky.
I have to get out of here! And I think I know how to do it. Oh, my tummy!
Vicky, are you all right?
My tummy hurts really bad. You have to take me to the hospital.
I guess you ate too many ice creams. Come on, I'll take you there.
Gotcha!
You tricked me!
I can't believe you fell for that. It's the oldest trick in the book. Bye-bye, Anima Bozo.
Oh no, she's going to get away. I need to call Johnny for help.
Hello, Tigers? What's the matter?
Johnny, I need help. Vicky tricked me to get out of jail, and now I'm trapped in prison.
Oh boy, that's a real pickle. But don't worry, help is on the way.
Hello, Johnny.
Hello, Johnny.
Crocodile, Batfly, Vicky has escaped from jail and Tigers needs your help. You have to get there quickly.
All right, come on, Traco.
Let's go.
All right, Traco. How about I search for Vicky while you get Tigers out of the cell?
Sounds like fun.
Crocodile, I'm so glad you're here.
So, the cop got busted, huh? Don't be like that. It's just a little joke. Now, how do we get you out of here?
The system only recognizes my face, Crocodile.
I see. Then let's try this. It seems like I have no choice.
What are you up to? Ah! Did you really eat the door?
It's only steel stripes, and I didn't have breakfast today.
Anyway, let's get Vicky.
Right, let's find Batfly.
Come on, where could they be?
Look,
It looks like Vicky got her gun back.
speed up, Stripes. We have to help Batfly.
Stop before anyone gets in danger. Never! All right, let's put an end to this. What did you do? This doesn't end here. She got me! I'm going down! Bye-bye, AnimaCars.
Batfly, are you okay?
I'm fine, but I can't keep chasing Vicky.
What are we going to do?
If she's flying that low, I think I can catch her. But I'm going to need some help.
Tigers, did the guys get you out of jail?
Yes, Johnny, but Vicky is escaping, and I'm the only one who can chase her. I need an extra boost.
Yeah. Say no more. It's power up time.
Monster wheels and turbos. Just what I needed. Trackadial, go get Batfly to the headquarters so they can fix her engine.
Okay, Tigers, we'll get going.
I have a villain to catch.
Come on, I'm so close to my cave. Huh? No, 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 no! Not again!
Hello, Vicky.
Get this!
Are you done? Then it's my turn.
No! This is not fair!
So, we're back to square one, huh?
Well done, Tigers. I know that you guys couldn't make it.
Thanks, Johnny. I couldn't have done it without you in the rescue team.
Ow, my ankle! I have to go to the hospital!
Do you really think that same trick will work twice?
Oh, right, I better get myself comfortable then.
Thanks for your help, Billdozer.
You're welcome, my friend. You'll have to excuse me.
You went really fast, huh? Wait, what are you doing? This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. Billdozer has made a mess here.
Huh?
Your help.
Billdozer? That can't be right. I saw it with my own eyes. Don't worry, Bob. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigers, Bob says Billdozer is causing chaos. Can you investigate what's going on?
Sure thing. Wow, what a mess!
Oh no, he's back!
Phew, I needed that, huh? Hey, what's going on? Billdozer, you're under arrest for wrecking the construction site, but I just came back from the bathroom. Huh? You're making a mistake. I'm sorry, Bill. I got another emergency to attend to. Huh? Eh? Huh? Hey, you! What are you doing? I have an evil twin. That's why everyone's blaming me. This is horrible. I have to stop him. Stop it, Bill! How did you get away from jail? Well, I broke it. Wait, 2 Billdozers? That's right. That phony wrecked everything and put the blame on me. Come on, Tigers. He's getting away. I know what to do.
Hi, Tigers. Did you stop Billdozer?
I'll explain later, Johnny. I need your help now.
All right, activating power up.
Yes, that's more like it. Here's the plan. You start throwing things at your evil twin to slow him down, and I'll take care of the rest. Missed me. Be careful not to crash. Tigers, now! Bullseye! We finally locked up the right guy. I'm sorry, Bill. I should have trusted you. Don't worry about that. But don't take your eye off this guy. If I broke out of here, so can he.